Okay, so hello. I know I haven't posted in a while because I'm quite busy, but yeah. Just before I do this video, none of these names are my actual characters based on any of the YouTubers or like me or whatever. Just what I thought of the names. That'd be quite nice. So they have moved house, so this is a new house. It's like the reception area. I'm just gonna do a little house tour before. It's not like a reception, just like it's where there's like the toddlers sit and everything. And this is the kitchen. Like basically the garden, it's very small. Then they've got like all their lunches for the next day. And then on the bottom floor, also sorry if the loan takes a long time, it has been like that today for some reason. So this is the boy's bedroom. He's currently sleeping. Oh, okay. So yeah. And then I'll show you the first floor, so I'm going to go on to the second floor. So that's Dad. So this is the girl's bedroom. This is the bathroom. I have added a couple more characters. So this one is called, which one? Should be called Millie, I think it is. This one is called Ellie. Here's like the bathroom, and then there's another room with the girls in. Oh, I think this one's Ellie. This one's Ellie. That one's called Maisie. And then wait, what's this one called? I think it's called. Wait, what's it called? Oh yeah, like Vivian. Yeah, Vivian. So it's like the bedroom. They're all on sleep now. Oh, okay. So the mum's currently in there, and this is the toddler's bedroom. So this is the toddler's bathroom, the toddler's like bed and stuff. Kind of toddler's play area. And then there's the sitting room. And then there is the third floor, which is the like mum and dad's floor. And that's all like the baby supplies. And then this is like a bathroom for the boy, but because I couldn't do it in his room because there was only like one room down there, so. And then there's the baby's room. There's a couple more babies. It's like the art room. And then there's a parents' room. So that's like a huge wardrobe. Then there's the bedroom, the bathroom, and they've got like a balcony. Okay, sorry about the loading again. I do like the characters when it's loading though, because I find them really cute. So this is like the rooftop. And because the garden is small in the kitchen, I use this as a garden. You've got like stand here, you've got like a big tree house there. And then we've got like another tree house and like a sitting area basically and a table. I'm gonna go on the second floor and I'm gonna finish the night routine. currently like putting them all to bed. So here's like the toddler. So like yeah. So the little girl's up there. Go to bed. Okay, so I'm gonna start now. Okay, go to bed, honey. Oh, but I'm really not tired. Really? Because you told me that you were tired. Well, I'm not anymore. Okay, do you maybe want to go to sleep? Fine, I'm gonna try. Okay, good night. Okay, I'm done. Oh my god. I'm sorry. Okay, go wash your hands then. Okay. I'm just gonna keep it here when she's washing her hands because I won't let me put it over there. Okay, I got some soap. Okay. Do you want to wash your hands? Yeah. Okay. Okay, good night. Good night. Okay, 1 second. I don't know why squishy won't go on hand. Okay. Okay, I think, because they're like taking it in turns, put the toddlers to bed. Okay, I'll go put the other girls back to bed. Okay. Okay. You can go in the bath now. Wait, I haven't got my pajamas on. Oh yeah. Go on, put your pajamas on. Okay. Where's the pajamas again? Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get in the bath. Okay. Alright, okay. So I feel I'm kind of slow today. It's just that I'm like watching it through my phone, so it's kind of like a bit, yeah, and a little bit slow. Okay. Do you want to go use the toilet? Yeah. I can't sleep. You still can't sleep? Yeah. Did you tell this to your mom? Yeah. Okay. Well, I did put you to bed, and you went to bed first. So it's like when I'm doing the other night routines with the other people, is that waking you up? I don't think so. Okay, just try and go to sleep. Okay. I still can't sleep. Okay, why don't we just go like play for a little bit? You can go and do the rest of your night routine if you know how to. Yeah, I know how to. I'll just go do it. Okay. 1 second. Okay, I'm just sorting everything out. So, it's way money here. Okay, let's go play over here. Okay, gonna go use the toilet. Okay. Okay, good night. Okay, I'm just gonna get my chicken and my dog. Oh, I know it's good news actually. Okay, go try and go sleep. Okay. Do you wanna go put the rest of the girls to sleep? Yeah, but what about if I put one of them to sleep? You put the other one to sleep, and then I'll go see to one of the babies while you do that. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Do you wanna go get pajamas on? Yeah. Here are my pajamas. Okay. Do you wanna go have a bath? Okay. I can't. Oh, okay, 1 second. I can't sleep. Okay, you can't sleep. Okay, let's put your stuff down. Are you sure they're not making it like too hot or something? No, I don't think they are. Okay. Don't you want to go do the rest of your routine? Yeah. Sorry. Okay. I'm kind of finish my routine early, just I'm really tired. So what have you done so far? So I've had a bath and I've went to the toilet. Just go wash your hands and I'm sure you'll learn. Just you can go wash your hands and then your routine will be finished anyway, so I'm sure you can manage that. Okay. Okay, I'm done. Okay, you can go get ready for bed now. Okay. Okay, do you maybe want to go sleep now? Yeah, I will. Okay. Good night. Okay. Do you want to go say goodnight to Alaska? Yeah, I'll go do that. Okay, do you want to get your pajamas on? Yeah. Alright, okay. Good night. I have no idea why that wasn't on there. Okay. There it is. Okay. Come on. Okay. So, okay. My arm's kind of aching, so that's why I might be too shaky. So, yeah. Okay. There they go. Get dried. Okay. Daddy, I really can't go to sleep. Okay. Because you said this to me, twice already now, for the second time. I'm just gonna maybe, just like, are you okay? Shall I give you some medicine or something? No. I'm sure I'll be fine. I'm sure I'll be fine. I think I need to go downstairs and I think I need to have some ice cream. I think that might give you a little bit of a sugar rush. So I think we can just go to bed and see how it goes. But yeah, I think I'll be okay after. Okay, come on. Can we just play on the slide for a little bit? Fine, we'll play on the draft slide. Yay! Okay, I'll watch you from here. Okay, I'm gonna finish the rest of my routine. Okay. I'm gonna go sleep now, okay? Bye-bye. Bye. Okay, Tony, I really think it's time for bed. Oh, wait, no. No. Oh, yeah, no, it's Toby. Never mind. Good night. Okay. I'm just gonna go, Dad, happy with the babies? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Should I maybe just stay in the room with you? Yeah, I'll do the first baby. Well, looks like they're already asleep. Yeah, it does look like that. Let's just leave them to go to bed. Yeah, I mean, like, they're all asleep, and if they do cry, then I'm sure that, we'll go and get them. Yeah, I'm sure they'll be okay. I'm just gonna put some relaxing music on. Okay, so the music starts on just during the night. So now time in the morning. Okay. Okay, so it's 7:30. Okay. Well, we haven't got school today. So wait, I think we're getting a new pet today. Okay. Oh, I think we're getting a dog. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I think I'm just gonna take a shower right now. Sorry. Okay, before I get in the shower, I think I'm just gonna put on some different pajamas, so it'll be a bit more relaxing. Okay, so guys, so stay tuned to part 2. So hope you're excited. Bye.